Hello, in this video, we will present a classic recursive problem. This is tau of Hanoi problem. The problem is to move the disks from tau A to tau B with the help of tau C. So the problem has 3 towers and have all the disks. The disks are all different sizes. At any time, you're going to put the smaller one on top of the larger one. And when you move the disk, you can move one disk at a time. So for example, this is 3 disks. So this is 2 disks, this is 1 disk. So when you move 1 disk, it's really simple from A to B. So that's one move. Now, let's see how you move 3 disks. That is all. How do you write a program to describe all the moves? If we have n disks, we can solve this problem using recursion. So this is all my n disks. So we're going to recursively move n minus 1 disks from A to C with the help of B. And then we can move the last disk A to B. Finally, we move n minus 1 disks from C to B with the help of A. That is going to be described in this move disks, n disks from tower to the 2 tower with the help of aux tower. So it can be described as follows. The best condition is n is 1. That is simple. Just move disk 1 from the tower to the 2 tower. That is done. Else, you have to do it recursively. Move n minus 1 disk from the tower to the aux tower with the help of 2 tower. And now move disk n from the tower to the 2 tower. And finally, recursively calling this move disks n minus 1 from the aux tower to the 2 tower with the help of tower. We put all this in the program here. So this is the test program, prompt the user to enter the number of disks. And now this are all the moves. So we're going to print this moves out. So this is n from the disk tower A to tower B with the help of C. So this n is 1. That is the simple case, the best case. Just move this disk 1 from tower to the 2 tower. That's all. Else, we're going to do recursively move n minus 1 disks from the tower to the aux tower with help of 2 tower. And now we're going to print this, the last one now, move disk n from the tower to the 2 tower. Now recursively to move n minus 1 disks from the aux tower to the 2 tower with the help of tower. That is all for this section on the case study for the tau of Hanoi problem. See you on the next video.